Power Innovations International EV quick chargers offer exceptional flexibility and performance while reducing installation complexity and virtually eliminating downtime and maintenance. The EVQC030 and EVQC060 are 30 and 60 kilowatt chargers featuring a patent-pending multi-voltage field configurable input with no derating. They provide their rated output power from single-phase or three-phase AC inputs, no longer making DC fast chargers dependent on 480-volt AC input and step-up transformers, resulting in less infrastructure and fewer steps to install with ample room to land input wires. The chargers require virtually no maintenance. Cooling is provided via air-to-air heat exchangers that eliminate the need to have filters for cooling with outside air, while the modular design leverages proven LITEON power supplies with a demonstrated MTBF greater than 1 million hours on this PSU topology for very high uptime. The chargers are housed in a NEMA 3S enclosure with a top-mounted antenna to support a broad range of cellular carriers and Wi-Fi connectivity, which can be used for remote services and over-the-air updates via OCPP. The built-in display supports RFID authorization and an optional credit card terminal for payments.